Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to find and manage your Not Interested topics on X, formerly Twitter, using your PC. This feature helps you tailor your feed to focus on content that matters most to you. Let's dive right in. First, open X from your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account to access the settings. Next, look at the menu on the left side of your screen. Locate the More icon. It's usually represented by 3 dots, and click on it. This will expand additional options for navigating the platform. Now, select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Once inside, click on Privacy and Safety to access features related to customizing your experience. From here, choose Content You See. This section allows you to control and filter what appears in your feed based on your preferences. Within Content You See, click on Topics. This will display all the topics you're currently following or interacting with. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Not Interested. Finally, review the list of topics marked as Not Interested. If there are any adjustments you'd like to make, such as removing topics from this category or confirming their placement, you can do so here. This step ensures that your feed stays relevant and free of unwanted content. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently manage your topics and create a personalized experience on X. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips on navigating social media platforms.